2004 Scion TC, pull up on the park brake, grab hold of this trim, lift that off. You'll have a shift knob. You're gonna rotate it counterclockwise. This will slide off. Here on the underside, you'll have your cigarette lighter. That'll come off just like that. You just pull straight backwards. Go ahead and push down to open your radio. Grab your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 Phillips screws. Grab hold of this whole trim, pull it forward. Gonna have to unplug a few connections on the back. On the back, push down on the tab, unplug your climate control. Grab your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 Phillips screws from right here. There's 2 10mm bolts, one right here, one right here. Grab a 10mm with an extension. Grab hold of the radio, slide that forward, flip it around, unplug your connector here, just push down on the tab, pull backwards, push down on the tab, pull backwards, and that's out.